So you want to develop a money mindset for 2023? Think about the word mindset. It's two words, mind, set. So that means you have to set your mind at a certain place when it comes to money. Now, how do you set your mind in a certain place or develop the right money mindset? Well, you have to, A, change your relationship with money. Think about this. Wherever you are financially, and this ain't no knock because this applies to all of us. Wherever you are financially, meaning that however much money you got right now, that's a reflection of your relationship with money. So if you want to go up on that number, guess what you got to do? You got to change your relationship. That means you have to educate yourself and put that education to action. It's really called training. Because when you learn information but you never put it to action, you either learned the wrong information that had no practical application or you just didn't apply it. So get that money mindset today.